Hello, this is Aobo probabilities course, homework 2. So let's see the first question. For the first questions, we want to find first is the lambda, so that means in 2 minutes at least one customer arrives equal to 0.3. So we can find that because at least one, the probability is equal to 0.3. So we can find if there's no people come, then the probability is 0.7. So that means for k equal to 0 and the t equal to 2 means because the 2 minutes, so we can find the this equation equal to 0.7. So after that we can get e minus 2 lambda equal to 0.7. So we can easily get that we do the line for the both side of the equations. We can easily find the lambda is equal to 0.178. And for the second questions, the probability in 10 minutes at least 2 customers will arrive. That means we can get then at least 2. That means 1 minus probability k equal to 0 and probability k equal to 1. Then we can get that t is equal to 10. So we can easily find that the final is 0.5313. And for the third questions, in 1 minute, have one customer, that means k equal to 1 and t equal to 1. We get the probability is 0.15. And the fourth questions, in 3 minutes, no customer, that means k equal to 0 and t equal to 3. So the probability is 0.586. Okay, so for the question 2, we need to find that for a, that fx is a valid density. That means integral of fx and dx equal to 1. So we can easily find that a e minus 2 plus integral from 0 to 1, and so the total equal to 1. So we can easily calculate. After that we get a is equal to 1. And for the second question, and because a equal to 1, we can easily find the equation of the fx, and because e minus 2 is around 0.1353, so we can suppose that in this equation, for the x equal to 0 and x equal to 1 is the minimum and the maximum value of the equation. Then the minimum is 0 equal to 0.736 and the maximum is 1.1353. So we can easily get the graph is that first we can get an impulse for the 0, and we can get this sketch from 0 to 1. And for the third question, based on the unit step function, we can use the ux and ux minus 1 to represent the 0 to 1 equation, and the impulse step function use the 0 x equal to 0, so that we can get the fx is this function. And for the fourth question, in analytic form, that means fx is integral from 0 minus infinity to x and fx dx, so then we can easily find that x equal to 1 for the impulse response integral, we can get this e minus 2, and for the same as this question, and that means this is plus but this is minus because we have to do an integral. And for the last question, sketch fx, we can easily find that there have an impulse for the this like this, and we can easily find that in this equation the maximum is x equals to 1 and the minimum is x equals to 0. That means 0.865 and 0.736. So we can easily get this sketch. That's a homework 2. Thank you.